I'm going. I hope I don't fall again. It'd be too embarrassing. Okay, adios. Going.
Turn right, then turn left.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Turn left, then turn left.
Okay. I made it. So stupid. The fall yesterday was another stupid one. Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to San Jose de Gracia. It's near Mazamitla, Pueblo Mágico, and it's going to take about 1 hour and 45 minutes. 6 falls in 6 months. Very good. Had a great time in Ajijic. The town is small. The lake is, yeah, it's pretty. But the best part was the Airbnb host and his son. So I thought I was going to be alone, but no. Yeah, it was really fun talking to both of them. What the fuck? It's terrible. Wow, the view is amazing. Oh crap. San Jose de Gracia is in Michoacan. I don't know, everyone's been saying Michoacan, it's very dangerous right now. But I think I'm at the age, I don't know. He said it's really peaceful and quiet, so it should be okay. Hola. Huh? Sí. Okay. Gracias. Okay, that was a bit scary. Oh wow, we're in Michoacan right now. Where? Here? Okay. No. Is it gonna be crappy roads again? Yeah. Not too crappy. Oops. So many topes. What's this guy doing? Oh shit. Just start my bike. No. Oh wow, this is fun. Where? Is it here? Or is it in front? I think a bit in front, shit. I'm getting scared again. And this is hard, not far. my god, where are we? Where am I? Okay, wait, pause for a while. Turn right. Man, this is hard. I'm gonna try to go in front. I think it's asking me to go on this dirt road which I just missed. Oh shit. Ah! Is it somewhere here? Okay, it's one of this. Oh man, this is hard. Oh, hola.
Aquí está su pobre casa, la más humilde.
Un meal?
La más humilde de las casas, la del medio, la de los nopales.
Okay, so esta?
Sí,
Okay. ¿Podría estacionar?
pues aquí no le pasa nada a su moto. Nadie
Okay.
le hace nada, ni le hace maldades, ni nada.
Okay.
Aquí estamos,
¿Es la casa naranja?
aquí miren, no.
I have no clue. Aquí. ¿Aquí? No, no puedo. Aquí. Okay. Poquito. Pero, okay. Un momento.
Habla español.
Ahora no puedo ayudarte porque... sí. Un momento. Okay. Hola.
Bienvenida.
Gracias.